Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Mishra, and today we discuss about Tableau. And today we try to create a dashboard on Tableau, and we will use an accident dataset that is easily available on Kaggle. So I put this dataset from Kaggle. So this is a website where and I'm going to use Tableau desktop version, right? So I'm using Tableau public, and that is available for web app, right? So I'm going to use this web app. First of all, I need to log in. So I need to mention my email ID and passwords. Then I need to click on this sign in button. Guys, if you have not log in Tableau, so first of all you need to log in, but before that you need to sign up, right? So once you have sign up on your Tableau dashboard, you need to click on this create button, and you will get an option of web authorizing. Once you click on this web authorizing, you will get a page of Tableau, and this Tableau page, this Tableau web page, and the Tableau desktop version which is available in your system, both are almost same. So first of all, we need to import the data set, right? So I'm importing this data set from my system, and this data set is available as accident data in my localhost. And guys, it will take some time because this is approximate 87.4 MB data set, right? So we can wait here. And let me tell you about this data set. So we have multiple fields in this data set where we have the data related to like accident count per each road type, vehicle type. So those data we have, we would like to extract some meaningful insights from the data, and we try to give some insights so the the chances of accident can be reduced in this data set. Okay, so let's wait few seconds while this data set is going to upload. So the data set has successfully uploaded on my Tableau public edition, right? So here you will get all the column name. So those all are your columns. We have index column, accident severity. We have in this accident severity. You can check all those things. We'll discuss about that later on. We have accident date. We have latitude. We have light condition. We have district area, we have longitude, we have number of casualty, number of vehicles, road suffers condition, then we have road type, urban or rural area, weather condition, and vehicle type. So those columns we have in this data set. Let me click on update now. So once I click on this update now, so those all are my columns, right? Those all are my columns. Light condition, we have daylight and darkness light, right? So chances are very high when it is darkness light, so it will be like chances are high ki it will goes for accident. Then we have number of casualties. So yes, those are some number of casualties. Then we have number of vehicles. Then we have road surface condition, wet or damp, dry, those things we have. Then we have road type, urban or rural area. Then we have weather condition and vehicle type, right? So yes, those details we have in this data set. Okay. um, uh, my next task will be to go to this sheet 1. Once I click on this sheet 1, I will get the dashboard of Tableau, and in that Tableau dashboard we can easily create a simple plot. So let's wait few seconds while this data set is going to upload. First of all, I need to publish this dashboard. So I need to click on publish, and I will use this accident. Okay. So I am publishing this dashboard with this name, right? It will take few seconds, and this will be published. Okay, finally. Now guys, first of all, I would like to add some slicers like the current date and the previous date, or the current year and previous year. So those kind of slicers I want to add. So before moving with slicer, I need to check with this accident date, right? This accident date. But if you guys notice, so we have this date, but this date is available in, okay, so I have this accident year. Okay, but I want to extract the year only, right? So I need to go to this create calculation field. Here I want to add calculation field with the name of year of accident date. Year of accident date, right? And I'm using this year, then I need to put this accident date here, right? Accident date, and done. Let me click OK. I will get a new column with the name of year of accident date, and let me drag this on rows. So I'm getting this sum, so I don't want this sum. So first of all I need to okay, so guys, first of all I need to convert this column into discrete, then I will convert this column into dimension. Convert to discrete, and then I will convert this column into dimension. Convert to dimension. Perfect. Now if I use this number of year, so I'm getting 2019, 2020, 21, 22, right? So I'm getting the years. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to create a parameter, and that parameter will be current date, right? So guys, I need to click on this button, then I need to click on create parameter. Here I need to mention current date. Current year. Okay, so I'm putting it as current year, and it will be integer format, and I need to change with this list, right? So here inside this list I need to mention ki I want the date format, right? So when I click on date, see, I will get only those two dates. So I'm having only this accident date, right? So guys, instead of this integer, yeah, instead of date I need to select this as integer, then only we can select the new date which we create, and the name was that date of year of accident date, right? So yes, we have this column with the name of year of accident date. Perfect. Now this is the value, and this is the displayed value. We can change the displayed value. Let's suppose I want to mention, because this comma is not necessary, so we need to remove that comma, right? So let me remove the commas. Perfect. Then this is the name is current year, and click OK. Once I click OK, I will get a parameter, and that is my current year, right? And also I need to select the current year, edit, and current year should be 22, right? Okay, so every time the current year will be 22, and I need to create one more parameter that will be like uh, previous year. Okay, let me make duplicate of this current year. Duplicate, then need to click on edit, and I need to select this previous year. So I need to change this. Instead of current year I need to use previous year, right? Perfect. And see, the current value will be less than the current value, like previous year will be less than current year, so that's why I'm putting this 2021. Let me click on OK button. See, I'm getting two things, current year, and I'm getting a previous year. I'm getting those two things now, right? Okay, and we are having those two filters. We are having those two new filters. Okay, now I need to create one more field, and that field will be create a new field. So I want a new calculation, that is current year accident, right? And here I need to use a formula. If this current date, if this um, if this accident date is equals to this current year, because I want to change this diagram dynamically. If user select any particular date, then I want index. Basically this index is nothing, this is just the column, so I want to count only, count, right? And then I need to use and perfect. So if accident date is equals to current year, then index, the count of that index, otherwise I want nothing, right? Okay, so guys, I'm getting a error here, and that is we have not closed this parenthesis. Like we start, let's say we start from here and it should close till this point, right? And then count of if accident date is equals to current year, then index, otherwise end. Okay, I forgot to mention year because I need to make this I can only compare with this year with this current year, right? And when I click OK, that is my current year accident, right? Let me click on OK button, right? So this is my current year accident. So whenever, see, if let me make this show parameter, so I will get this parameter here, and when I use this current year here, so this is my current year, right? If I change the year, let's suppose if I'm selecting those 22 or 21, so those values will change dynamically, right? Okay, this is for current year. Let me make a filter for previous year, right? So let me make this duplicate, so I will click on this duplicate button, and then I need to click on edit. Inside that edit, let me change this is current, and I need to mention previous. And here also I need to change previous year, right? And let me click on OK button. Okay, if I add this previous year also inside that, so, and let me make this so parameter, see, so the current year was 2019 and the previous year was 2019. That time both values will be same, right? Okay, so guys, we have created those two fields here. I think there should be one more field, and that will be year on year accident, right? So to create year on year accident, I need to go to this create calculate field, and here I need to select year on year accident, and the formula goes to like current accident plus previous year accident divided by previous year of accident. That will be the formula of sorry, the formula will be current, like count of current year accident minus count of previous year of accident divide by previous year of accident, right? Previous year of accident, that will be my formula. Okay, so guys, no need to use this count because the formula is very simple. Current year accident minus previous year of accident divided by previous year of accident. When I click OK, I will get this new column, and if I drag this column in this text, so I'm getting some details here, right? Okay, so I need to use breaker here, like that, right? Now I need to click on OK button. Here on year accident, let me take here, and I need to change the date, right? If I use let's suppose this is 22 and this is 21, that time it is in negative minus 0.11%. So that is good because the current year accident is the current year accident is lower, it is decreasing. What else we can do? Basically we can use, like, we can make this year on year in percentage. Then how we can do that? I need to click on this, then I need to go to format number. Here I will select this custom. Inside that custom I would like to use this percent, like 0.00%. Why? Because I want the values till 2 decimal points, and this is for positive, and use semicolon, then 0.00 percentage. So this is for negative, and here I need to put like, what else we can use? We can use here the symbol of increasing and decreasing. Both things we can add here. I'm copying those symbols from my Excel. Perfect. So I put those symbols here, right? So this is for up and this is for down, and let me click on OK. Done. So we have created this field. What else we can do? We can make this entire view. Okay, let's wait. Let me change this format number, and here I need to change this breakup. Perfect. Then let me use this text, and here I want this in year of accident. I don't think this previous year of accident is important for me, so I'm just removing that previous year of accident. Total accident, right? And this total accident should be in yellow color, and this should be like, the size of this should be 20, and it should be in bold, right? And let me change this also, should be in bold, and let me change the color of this, and let me use red color, so I will get the percentage, right? When I click on apply, see, total accident, then I'm getting this percentage should be up now. Wait. Okay, so this should be in 20, and the color should be black, and this should be 9 or 10, and this should be in red color, right? Let me click on apply. Done. Perfect. So this is total accident. Those are my total accident. Okay, let me click on OK button. So yes, this is total accident, and let me make this entire view. So yes, this is my total accident. And guys, if I make changes, let's suppose if I make the previous year for 2020, and the current year is 2021, so this is change. Those are total accident, and that is also goes down with respect of previous year 2022, right? So yes, we have successfully created one insight. Let me change the name. Okay, so that is total accident. Let me make this in bold letter and let me change the color, and color should be red. Oh, sorry, black. Now it is fine. Perfect. So guys, this is all about my total accident. Let me mention the one more column. My new column will be total casualties, right? Let me change this sheet name, total casualties. And this total casualties, basically, let me duplicate this sheet. Let me duplicate this sheet. Duplicate, right? And I need to rename the sheet, and that is my total casualties. Let me remove this sheet. Delete, and this sheet should be renamed with total casualties. Let me click on OK, right? I just want to change some details in this dashboard only, right? How? See. So guys, to determine total casualties, first we would like to find current year casualties, right? Then how we can do that? Let me create a new field, calculate field, and that will be current year casualties. And here I will use a formula ki if this accident date, sorry, if the year of accident date, year of this accident date is equals to this current year, right? Then I want number of casualties, right? This is the number of casualties. Then I want to mention and, right? And also I need to use sum because I want the total casualties, right? And let me end with here if. Now perfect. So this is current year casualties. Let me click on OK button, right? So I got a new column with current year casualties, and let me drag this on current casualties, right? So the values has changed now. This is my current year casualties, and this previous year is not necessary. Let me remove this. Done. Okay, this is current year casualties and year on year casualties. So to extract this year on year casualties, first we need to find the previous year casualties, right? So let me make a duplicate of this duplicate, and here I just need to use edit, and it will be previous year casualties, right? So this is sum if year accident date is equals to current year. Instead of this current year, now I will select this previous year, right? So let me click on OK button, and now we got this previous year casualties column as well. See, we have this previous year accident and previous year casualties, and now we need to find the year on year casualties. So let me duplicate this, and let me edit this as well. Edit. Then here I need to change, like copy, and year on year accident we need to use casualties. Year on year casualties, and here instead of current year accident we need to choose current year casualties, right? So current year casualties, and here I need to change previous year casualties, and here also I need to use previous year casualties. Perfect. Done. Let me click on OK button, and this will give me year on year casualties. So let me drag this on here. See, now we are getting this percentage as well. but I'm not getting this percentage in the same format. Let me change the format. Let me use this format number, go to custom, and here we can use, okay, no worry. What else we can do? We can use this year on year accident format, right? So go to this format number and copy each and everything from here, and let me use my filter and go to this format number and let me change those values. Done. Perfect. Yes. Also we need to change this total accident. Instead of total accident, we need to mention this total casualties. Let me click on this text, and here we can use this total casualties, and that total casualty should be in yellow color. Done. Okay. See, so this is total casualties, and if I make any changes here, so this will also give you the same information. See, right? So this is your total casualties. Let me change this total casualties. Make this in bold. Okay, perfect. So we have successfully created this second sheet. Let me create one more sheet, and that will be related to, that is accident severity. But before discussing about this accident severity, let me check about this. It's described. So we have three types of severity: fatal, serious, and slight. So let me check for fatal only first, right? Then we will check for this serious and slight. So let me create a duplicate from this duplicate. So yes, this is duplicate, and okay, fatal casualties should be fatal casualties, right? And let me create a new calculated field, and that will be current year fatal casualties, and it will be sum of if if this accident severity is equals to this fatal. And always remember, the spelling should be same, right? Fatal, and year of this accident date is equals to this current year, then number of, then find the number of total casualties, or and done, right? So this is my formula: sum of if accident severity is equals to fatal and the year of accident date is equal to current year, then number of casualties I need to add, otherwise I would like to end this formula. Let me click on OK button. So I will get current year fatal casualties. See, I'm getting a new column with the name of current year total casualties. Done. So this is my current, those are fatal casualties, right? Let me change this, fatal casualties. Okay, and let me change the name of this plot as well, fatal casualties. Okay, so those are my fatal casualties. Also we need to change this year on year. So before moving with this year on year, we need to create one more column with the name of previous year. This was all about my current year accident, like current year fatal. And let me duplicate this, duplicate, and this duplicate will be previous year. And here I just need to change with this current year with this previous year. Previous year fatal casualties, and here I need to mention this previous year. Done. Okay, let me click on OK. Now I need to create a new column with the name of year on year casualties, right? So this is my year on year casualties, and here I need to make this duplicate, and inside that duplicate I need to edit, right? And here I need to current year fatal casualties, and this will be current year of previous year fatal casualties, and this will be also previous year, and this should be current year fatal casualties. This is current year fatal casualties, this will be previous year fatal casualties. Perfect. Now this is fine. Let me click on OK, and let me change the name as well. This will be current year fatal casualties, right? And let me drag this on this previous year on year, right? Again, we are not like the values are not same, because I need to have the percentage as well. So I will click on this format number, and then copy each and everything. Done, right? Let me drag this year on year fatal casualties here, and let me go to this format and in custom. Done, right? So this is fatal casualties. This is all about fatal casualties. Same we can check for serious casualties, right? Because we have one more thing, like two more things in this accident severity mein, and those are fatal, serious, and slight. So next we check for slight. Okay, let me make this duplicate, and here I need to change, instead of fatal I need to use serious casualties, right? Okay, now we need to create few columns. So first column will be instead of fatal I would like to add serious, right? So let me duplicate this, and let me click on edit button. Inside fatal I would like to select this serious, right? And everything will be same, and let me drag this serious from here to this, right? And need to create a previous year casualties, sorry, need to check this, need to make duplicate of this previous year fatal casualties. Instead of fatal I need to change with serious. Edit, fatal mein I need to change this serious. Here also I want to change with serious, and done, right? And yes, we need to change the name as well. So it should be, instead of fatal it will be serious casualties, right? Now we need to create year on year casualties. So first I need to create a duplicate, and then need to go on edit, instead of fatal I will select this serious, right? So it is serious casualties, should be serious casualties, okay? Serious, and that could be serious current year serious casualties, right? Perfect, done. And we need to copy the number format, because I'm not able to copy the format. Okay, need to drag here, right? And number format and click on custom, then done. This is 19% up from this. If the current year is 2022 and the previous year is 2021, so it is negative, right? That is also good for country. And also, instead of this fatal casualties, I need to select this serious casualties. Okay, and also need to change the name of this column, right? So here I can use this serious casualties and the color should be yellow. Done. So we have extract this serious casualties, fatal casualties, total casualties, and now we will create another column, another inside for this slide casualties, right? So need to duplicate this. Let me copy the name, and as I told you earlier, the name should be same, right? So need to go on description and I can copy this slide casualties, right? And here I need to double click. Instead of serious, I will select this casual, and this should be 20, not 20. This should be 20. Perfect. And click OK, right? So this is slide casualties, and again I need to create those 3 new columns. So let me duplicate this current year. We have completed this fatal and serious. Now we need to check for slide. Click on edit, and then need to change this copy, and instead of serious, mention slide. Here also I need to use slide, and OK. And instead of this current year, I need to change this slide. Same goes with this previous year. Click on duplicate, then click on edit, here also I need to select this slide, and done, right? And then we need to create one more column, that will be year on year slide casualties. Need to click on duplicate, and then need to go in edit, and here I need to use slide casualties. Slide casualties, and here also instead of serious, need to select slide casualties, and done. OK. And also I need to copy the format, because every time this format get changed, I need to copy this format. Need to go on format number and custom and copy paste. Done. Okay, but I have not changed the name, so I need to change the name first. Instead of serious, I need to mention fatal, sorry, slide casualties. Click on OK, and yes, done. So those are my filters, which those are my filters which we have already extracted from this data set. Now we would like to create some spark lines, right? Now we would like to add some spark line from this data set, right? So let me click on new sheet. Okay, so let me change the name of the sheet. accident sparkline, right? Okay, so this time I want the month wise accident, right? So I will pick this current date in this column and I want to extract the month, right? So this is quarter and this is month. Let me remove this quarter and year both. So I remove this quarter and also I remove this year. Now we have only month. Let me make this entire view, right? Now I want current date, current year accident. So I will drag this current year accident in this row. So those are my current year accidents, right? And also we can make the plots, like we can change those plots. So this is the bubble plot. I don't think so. Okay, bubble plot is looking good for this. And this is line plot. I don't think this line plot is enough for this kind of data. Okay, now we have this accident spark line. That is my accident spark line, and this is kind of shadow. Let me add one more spark line, and that like this will be previous year accident, right? Let me drag this in this previous year. Done. So we are getting those two figures, and let me merge those two dual axis. When I click on this dual axis, I will get this data. See, I'm getting the data for current year and the previous year. Okay, let me convert this into line plot because I don't think this kind of data is looking good, but the previous was fine, right? Yes, this is absolutely fine, right? Okay, what else we can do? I can like remove those things. So hide header, like show header, I need to click on hide, like uncheck, and here also I am clicking on this uncheck, so I will not get this header. Right now when I hover on this data, I will get those details. Right, when I hover on this data, I will get all those details. And you can also change the toolkit. So toolkit means when you hovering the data, the values will be on that pop-up. So this will be accident date and that will be current year accident, right? So what I want, current year accident may I want this current year accident in red color, right? Perfect. When I click OK, see, now I will get current year accident in red color, see, and previous year accident in black color, right? Let's suppose I want to change this previous year as well. So I will again go to this toolkit and need to change with another color, and this time I want to use this green color for previous year, right? See, this is for previous year and this is for current year. Yes, so guys, you can also use toolkits. So this is for accident spark line. Then we check for fatal spark line. All right, let me make this plot duplicate, so it will be very easy to change those values. Fatal spark line, right? And here, instead of this month is fine, this we need to change this current year accident and previous year accident. So instead of that, we would like to add current year. Okay, first let me use for this casualties, current year casualties and the previous year casualties, right? And also I need to change the plot name. This is not fatal, this is casualties. Casualties, right? So those are my KPIs. Those are all are my KPIs, right? And those are my spark line. So we have extract the information for casualties as well. Next, let me create one more plot. Okay, not one more plot, I want to duplicate the same plot. Let me delete this. Okay, right click, make this duplicate, and now we need to change this fatal, rename fatal spark line. When I click OK, so this will be my fatal spark line. And this time I need to select this year of fatal here and previous year fatal details here. Previous year fatal. Right? Perfect. This is my data for current date, like current year and previous year fatal. Let me make one more duplicate, and this time I will check for serious, and then I will check for slide as well, right? Serious spark line, right? Okay, and now current year serious spark line I need to change, and this previous year serious spark line I need to change, right? Those are details for current year and previous year. Perfect. The last plot I want to create. Let me go to duplicate, and this time I want to create for slide. Slide spark line, right? And again, current slide spark line, like current slide, current year slide casualties I will drag here, and previous year slide casualties I will drag here. Done. So guys, we have successfully created those plots. Now I want to create few other plots, right? And my next plot will be related to like related to this district area, or I will select for this road type, right? Let me go, like let me click on this new, and this time I want to select this district area in this rows. So I have those all district areas, and I want total casualties. Now number of casualties I will drag in this columns, and here I want to select this total sum. This is fine. Now I need to make this descending format. So for making this descending format, I need to click on this button. So when I click on this, so yes, Varhangam is the most number, like having the most number of casualties. And if I want to add the title, that time I need to click on this T button. So I will get the label side as well, right? And I want the different color for different values. Then how I can do that? That time I need to select this district area in this color. I will drag this district area in this colors, right? So I will get the different color for different district. See, now I'm getting different color for different district. Perfect. And this is total casualties by each area, by each cities. Each city. Done. Okay. This is for total casualties by each city. And let me change the name of this plot as well. And I'm going to create one more plot. But before that, let me save this, let me publish this, because if I'm not going to save this file, if once it's done, my internet's gone. So this file I will not get. So that's why I'm publishing this file. Okay. Next, my next plot will be related to kind of road type, right? So I will drag this road type in columns. So I'm having only those type of road. Then number of casualties. Number of casualties I will drag here, right? And again, let me make this descending, and let me change the type of this plot. This is my pie plot. I don't think so okay, this pie plot is looking good. Let me use this bubble plot. No, bubble plot is also same, but I think pie plot will be enough. So I need to make this an entire view. So yes, this is my pie plot. And guys, I want the labels inside that pie plot. So I will click on this T button. So I will get those values. But also I want row type. So for mentioning this row type, I will drag this row type in labels, right? And yes, I'm getting this a row type now, but I'm not getting the number of casualties. Then I need to again drag this number of casualties in label, and then I will get the total. Yes, so this is the total of number of casualties by each road type. Total casualties by road type. Road type. Perfect. So this is my another plot, right? Total casualties by road type. Okay. Then we can create few other plot, but I think that is enough because we have almost created multiple plots, right? We can check for the weather condition, we can check for vehicle type, weather condition, year of accident, those things we can use. But I think that is enough. We have almost like we have understand how we can deal with this kind of Tableau dashboard, right? But I have not clear those things, those header things. So this is for adding a data set, this is for adding the new sheet, this is for making a sheet duplicate, this is for clear the sheet, this is for converting the rows into columns, this is for ascending, this is for descending. Here you can make some totals. This is for highlight, this is labels, adding labels, this is for format the workbook, this is fit, this is show or hide cards, and here you can download the plot or the dashboard, whatever you want, right? So we have successfully created so many column so many plots. Now guys, my next point will be to convert all those plots into dashboard. Then how we can do that? So to create dashboard, I need to click on this dashboard button, right? So yes, we have this dashboard, right? And guys, if you notice, we have so many like all the sheets available here, those all sheets we have created now. And this is the size of this canva. So if you want to increase the size of this canva, yes you can. So I'm using this, like I'm using this 900 height and 1000 is breadth is enough for me. Okay, now I need to add all those plots. Then how we can do that? First of all, I will click this horizontal container and drag this container here, but I need to click on floating. Then I will drag this container here. So yes, this is my container, right? And inside that container, we can fill all those values, right? So first I want to fill this sheet 1. Let me hide this, hide title. Let me make this floating. Okay, so this is already floating selected. I don't think so okay, this is needed. And also we can those are my filter. This is for current year and this is for previous year. So we can drag those current year and previous year here, right? So this is my total accident, right? We can also make this. Okay, now this plot is fine for me. Perfect. This is total accident. We have those total accident. If I change the values like 2022 and this 2020, so yes, the values got changed. Okay, this is for total casualties. Oh, sorry, total accident. Let me add another plot here. and I need to hide this title. Okay, this plot should be here, right? Let me add this third plot here. This is total accident, total casualties, and this is for fatal casualties. Hide the title. Let me drag here. This is fatal casualties. Then serious casualties. Again, I need to hide this title. So guys, I'm using all those filters here, right? Then the last is slight casualties. I need to hide this title. Okay, so this is my fifth value, right? So though if I make changes, let's suppose if I select 2020, so all those values got changed. See, all those values got changed now. If I select 2021, again all those values got changed. See, all those values will change, right? Perfect. So we have successfully added all those toggles. Now we want to add some plots as well, right? So this will be my first plot, which I'm going to drag here. I think and now I need to close, right? Okay. Trend line is good. Forecast. I think everything is fine now, right? So this is my first plot, and yes, this need to delete it because this is not making any sense. Okay. Next, let me add another plot here. Perfect. This is my second plot. Let me add this third plot. Right. This is my third plot. And let me add this fourth plot. Perfect. So this is my fourth plot. Do we have? Yes, we have two more plots. So the next plot I want to add here. Okay. And the total casualties I can add here. Those all are my total casualties, right? And this need to be deleted. I think total casualties should go up, right? Yes. we can drag this plot here, but this total casualty should be here. Perfect. Okay, and this plot also need to go down. Okay, perfect. Done. So yes, this is my dashboard, right? This is my dashboard. Okay. Okay, guys, now my task will be to make this dashboard more clear and more attractive. Then how we can do that? So for that, we need to go on the plots, right? Let me select this 12th plot. But first of all, let me change the color of this dashboard, right? So I will go to this format, click on dashboard, and here I need to select the color for dashboard, and I want to select the dashboard color, like I want to select some, not this one, background color. I want to select some kind of no, yeah, I think that background color is enough. Perfect. Okay, now I will change the color for each dashboard, right? Like each plot. So basically I want to change here, I want to change this shading. I need to change the color with the, yes, this color is fine, right? Also we can add a border. So we have successfully added a border. 1 pxi is fine. Good. Good. Right, we have add a border, and let me go to this title as well, and I want different color title, and this time I want this title. Yes, that is also fine. Okay, go to border, and I want border with red color and in 1 pxi, and the color should be this. Perfect. Good. We have successfully changed the color of this plot, and if you notice, the color has changed in this dashboard as well. See, the color got changed, right? So if we make any changes in my dashboard, those changes, like if we make any changes in my um, current sheet, so those changes will automatically completed on my dashboard. Same I want to check for this total casualty by each city. All right, then again I need to go to this format, then title, and guys, you need to understand one thing, the color should be same for each, right? So this is for background, this is for and I need to change this as well. So go to this shading, inside that we need to change with this color, right? I think that those both colors are same now. Both colors are same. Good. Yes, this is my another plot, total casualties. Then go with this spark line. Here also we need to change the color with this, and we need to add this divider, but I need to remove this. No, right click and hide header, and here also I want to hide header. Perfect. Right, this is for shading. Lines, basically I don't want lines. Can I use this white? Can I use this off? No, this is not for the lines. Grid lines, I think a grid line is automatically off. Okay, let me add border. So border is already selected and row column is already selected. Perfect. Right, same I need to change for this serious serious spark line. Need to hide header here, and here also hide header, right? Okay, no issue. So guys, let me change the color. Let me go in shading, and I will select this color for this as well. Go to factal spark line, and here also I want to hide this. Right click, hide, again right click, hide, change the background color. Perfect. And let me add the row divider and column divider. Go to spark line, this casualty spark line. Here also we need to make same changes. The background color should be this, right? And row divider and column divider already available, so no need to worry about that. Accident spark line, same I need to use a background color. Done. Now we need to go to this slide casualties, right? And guys, those slide casualties we can make any changes, like if we want to fill the color with this, so I think that is fine. Let me check in my dashboard. If it is looking good, then we will go with that color. uh, yes, I think that is fine. So yes, I will go with this color only. Slight casualties, then serious casualties. Again, we need to change the same color. We need to fill the same color. In fatal casualties, again we need to fill the same color. But I need to add the border as well, row divider and column divider. I want both things. Okay, in total casualties also I want row divider and column divider. Okay, and color should be this. And this total accident, row divider, and this column divider, and the same color. In slide, I need to on this row divider and column divider. Here also I need to on this row divider and column divider, right? So yes guys, we can make changes like that. Now let me check my dashboard. Now the dashboard is looking good, but the thing is ki we have not make uh, changes in different spark lines. Basically I make change in header here, but I have not make any changes here. But for now, what else we can do, we can align all those dots so the dashboard look good. Perfect. Right. Okay, now we need to make those things in line. So guys, it will take some time to make changes in your dashboard, but you need to have patience. Okay, I think those two plots are completed now. Let me increase the size of this plot. Hmm. Okay, let me increase the size of this serious spark line as well. Right. Next, we go for this plot. Perfect. Done. And let me remove this plot. Okay. Now, those all are my plots. Those are my this slicers, right? Let me change the color of those headers as well, right? I will start from first thing. I will start from sheet 1, but sheet 1 is not making any sense. We need to change for spark lines only, right? Starting from spark lines. Okay, let me go to this formatting, then need to go title, and the color, background color should be this, right? And also I need to add border should be 1 and the color should be this. Perfect. And also I want to make this in, I want to center align. What happened? Okay, spark line should be in center and it should be in bold. Perfect. Click OK and done. Go to next. Right, again change the background with this color, and this border should be in this, and the pixel will be 1. Perfect. And need to change with this, it should be in bold color and center. Okay, done. Then fatal spark line, go to this fatal spark line, bold, center, and okay. And then here I need to change the background color with this, and I want in 1 pixel. Perfect. Check for this serious spark line. Same I need to change with serious spark line. Should be in bold, center, okay. Color should be this, and background color should be this, and 1 pixel. Perfect. Same we can change for slight spark line. Double click on this spark line. Spark line, center, bold, and okay. then change the color and border. And the drawback of this dashboard is that we need to make changes manually, right? In Power BI, there is no need to do this kind of things. What else you can do? You can use a format, right? Using format cell, you can make the same format for each plot. Done. So guys, this is my dashboard. We have successfully created a dashboard, and this is my dashboard. Right now, this dashboard is looking good. I need to add the I want to add text content here. Text, so I can mention that this is my dashboard on accident data. On accident data. It should be in bold and it should be 24, and I think this bold will be fine, right? And color dark is also making sense, and click on done. So this is my dashboard. Dashboard on accident data, right? What else I can do? Let me make in pure black color, right? Okay, now it is looking good. And let's suppose if I want to make the change, like if I want to change the background color, then okay, so for that I need to go to this format, then worksheet, and okay, although this is also looking good. Yes. So guys, this is all about my dashboard on accident data set. If I make any changes, let's suppose if I select the previous year 2019 and the current year, if I select this 2020, so you will notice everything will be changed. See, every detail is going to change. So yes, those are my slicers. Using those slicers, my dashboard is dynamically changing, right? So yes, this is all about Tableau. We start Tableau from basic and we discuss some advanced topics as well of Tableau. So that's it for today. In the next class, we also discuss about some kind of Google Analytics and Looker Studio. So till then, bye bye. Take care, everyone.